What's going on, guys? It's another day, another install. We got a pretty cool one. It's gonna go to the back of the car. I got this yesterday, and I ordered double-sided tape, but it came with it, so that should kind of be giving it away what it is. And I already opened it. I had to look. I had to. I don't want to damage this. Here we go. Thick dies. There we go. So you got a rear lip. It's carbon fiber for the trunk. To be honest, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. It might. And the reason why I say that is because I have the spoiler. Now, I do love my spoiler, and I probably would have preferred if there was no lip on this car, because I feel like it'd be cleaner. But damn, that's gonna look good. So, compared to the other lip, which it is a nice lip, like, you know, it's not a bad looking lip, but you get the little bumps on the ends. It's carbon fiber, and I also like this one because it's a more low profile, so it's not going to be as like angled up. It's more like flat. My fear though is touching there because it's already an issue with this spoiler. So apparently, to remove the spoiler, yeah, there's my mess that I need to also work on this weekend. But apparently you remove these clips, and underneath it there should be, I believe, 2 bolts that are 8 mils that are going to be holding the lip down in place. So I'm going to go ahead, take all these off. Yeah, so once you remove your cover, I guess you can call it, there's a couple 8 mils. You can see one there, and there's another one right there. And if you look in the back, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little blue clip. I think I can't see it. It's like right back there. If you look, you could see it in person. I only see one, I think. Basically, that just helps hold it down. Go ahead and take out these 8 mils, and then you should be able to just pull off your lip, in theory. I don't think there's any double-sided tape. I'm not 100% sure though. So yeah, grab your 8 mil, put an extension on it. You don't have to sneak it in behind. You just put it right on the bolt, start going to town. It is a little tight in the beginning, probably just some thread locker or something, but once you get going, it gets pretty easy. Yeah, so I couldn't record it, but once you take out those 2 bolts, just go from one end, give it a tug, it'll pop up. You'll just, there's this clip just holding it. My clips popped right out when I did it. I'm honestly shocked there's no tape, but I guess there is that foam that should help seal it from water. Perfect opportunity to give it a clean. Might as well do it, and then we'll test fit the other spoiler. Just apply some soapy water. Don't want to go into the hole too much. It's a little dirty up top, so we'll give that a quick rub too. And just give her a wipe. Look at that. Alright, time for the part I'm nervous for. Is it going to fit? Yo. It is perfect. This is what I wanted. Oh, this looks good. I don't know if you can see that very well. This is perfect. Yeah, okay. This is the lip to go with if you're going to run a spoiler. Yeah, so it's gonna be close, but it ain't gonna touch. I love it. This is exactly what I wanted. It's gonna look good. Alright, so now for the install. I did notice there's a couple holes right there, and they do not line up whatsoever. So I'm not sure what those holes were for. It doesn't look like we're going to be using any of the hardware They came off the other spoiler, so it looks like we're going to be going with just double-sided tape. So I'm going to go ahead and use some Goo Gone, clean this up, clean up both of these, and then we'll stick it on. So I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I am sorry, but this just accents the carbon fiber spoiler so well. And what I love about it is if your STI came with the spoiler, it just flows. It doesn't come up like the OEM one. Like, don't get me wrong, the OEM one is great, but this is just so much. Oh, I friggin' love it. And then it doesn't touch, which I'm very happy about. There is a little bit of gapping, but you can't really do much about that just because of the 3M tape. But it's on there very strong. I'm sure once it's on there for a bit and the tape, like, I guess hardens or dries out or whatever, it'll get tighter. But you know what you're gonna expect. But yeah, like I said, there is gapping, but you're not gonna notice the bottom. Yeah, you're not gonna notice the bottom, to be honest. But I'm sorry, this is just, and I hate that you can't really see it. It is a little dark. It doesn't help that it's a dark gray car, but that's just another thing I love about the carbon on this color. It blends in so well. And unless you have, you know, sorry, I booped the camera. Unless you have a keen eye and you really pay attention, like driving, you might not notice it. You know, in the sunlight, it might be a little bit different. But you know, I just think it's so nice. So nice. Yeah, I love it. I think it's a great mod. If you do run a spoiler and you want a lip, this is the one to go with. I'm sorry, the OEM one, nah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. I forget what I was saying. I kind of got distracted. But I'm just gonna close out the video here. It was a pretty simple install. Don't forget that you have to put everything back. I have to do that now, but it's pretty straightforward. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments about it or any tips to installing it or just anything, or if something else you want to add to the video. I know I do want to get this in carbon as well. I've been holding off. But thanks for watching. See you around. Take care.